Hello everyone, this tutorial is going to be regarding the how to create a shapefile and add on the attributes. So first of all, we are going to add on the base map through add data. There are many options are available like topography, OpenStreetMap, imagery with labels, whatever you want to add on so that you can create a shapefile with respect to your own area. Now zoom to that area for which you want to create a shapefile. I am going to work on the Lahore area. In the next step, I am going to connect with the folder where I want to create an shapefile. So first of all, I have to click on the connect to folder. Scroll down to the folder where you want to create an shapefile. Then by connecting it, you will see that under the heading of folder connections, your folder of connectivity will be appeared. Likewise, my folder is desktop. So under that, I am going to create a new folder. So you first of all you have to click on the new and then folder. Now in the next step you can change its name as well. So click on the option of new, then click on the option of shapefile. There are multiple options available for feature type. If you want to create a point shapefile or a line shapefile or a polygon shapefile, you can choose it from here. Now move on to the edit option and click on the geographical coordinate systems and then Word and WGIS 1984 and click OK. You can change its name as well. Here you will see your point shapefile will be added. Next I am going to create the shapefile for the line option, and that is I am going to click on the polyline, change its name, then edit. I am going to import the coordinates of the shapefile I created earlier. Now we have to add on the editor toolbar. So first of all you have to right click on the interface and clicking on the editor, check it so that it can be appeared on the interface. Now click on the editor toolbar, start editing, click on the continue process, and there is an option of create features. While you are working on the polygon shapefile, you have to create an polygon. So I am randomly drawing the polygon over an area. Save edits and then stop editing. Click on Shapefile, symbol selector, and then click on the hollow and move on to the make an outline color to be red. Now work on the point shapefile. I am going to add on the airport location. And then on the model draw location. So to add on the different points in Lahore, again save edits and then stop editing. Now right click on the locations option and open attribute table to see that how many points you have generated. If you double click on the point number 1, so you will see that it will zoom automatically on the airport area. In the next step, we have the available option of table options. You are going to add the add field. So first of all, I am going to add its land use. So I have to choose the option of text. You can choose its length as well. Now click on the option of start editing. As you will see that I have entered the first point as airport. In the data entry, I am going to add the second point as park. Select the option of 3. I am going to call it as an industrial area. On the fifth point, I have added as an residential area. Whenever you are going to add your points, you have to know where you have added, as it will be determined by the base map. So save edits and then stop editing. Now click on the properties. By right click on the shapefile. Add all unique values by selecting the field of land use. You can change its color ramp as well. Now move on to the label. On the labels tab, you have to select font and you have to click on the label field to determine which field you want to visualize on the map. Then click on the option of apply and OK. Now still you wouldn't be able to visualize its labels, so you have to right click and then click on the label features. As they are appeared on the map interface. Thank you everyone for watching my videos and hope you got something and learned something in this video.